When you get to the row for the nose, you're going to knit the first 34 stitches, which would be needle 1 and 2. Then on needle 3, you're going to knit 8. Right here, I've already got 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to knit 4 more. Two, 3, 4, and then let's see, I've got 8, and then in the 9th stitch you're going to knit 5 stitches into the 9th stitch, but you're going to do a knit, purl, so knit 1, purl the 2nd, knit the 3rd, purl the 4th, and knit the 5th. Okay, so you now have 5 extra stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you're going to do stockinette stitch for 4 rows. You're going to purl the first row, you're going to turn around and purl the first row. Not the whole row, just the 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to turn around, knit 5 stitches. I'm going to speed it up here. Turn around, purl 5 stitches. Turn around, knit 5 stitches. Okay, so now you've got those 5 stitches, and what you're going to do is pass the 2nd stitch over the 1st, pass the next stitch over that, so that's 2 passovers, pass the next stitch, 3 passovers, pass the 4th stitch, or the next stitch, 4 passovers. Okay, then you can give it a little tug, tighten up the nose, and then you're going to knit the remaining stitches on the 3rd needle and the 4th needle, and finish the round. You see the little nose there? It's cute, isn't it? And you can get this once you've finished. You can shape it and whatever you need to do. Finish up the rows.